Join Gap City Squad 1000 Sub Club by hitting the subscribe button and smashing the like button, or you're a monkey kisser. What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to set off an airbag. In my last video, you might have seen at the very end of it, when I replaced my steering wheel in my Jetta, I set the airbag off that was in the car. This one is from an Integra, Acura Integra, and this one has a different connection. So what we're going to do is cut this just like that, and we are going to grab our tool right here, and we're going to expose these two wires. And just like that, we are ready to hook it up to a longer cable so that we can set it off. Now the cable that I'm going to be using is just an old extension cord that can reach really far. And I'm only going to be using 2 out of the 3 wires. This one I just left covered up, and then the black and the white I left exposed. Now this is the other end of the wire. These ones are also exposed. So you need a safe place to set this airbag off. Well, if you want to launch something. So I'm gonna launch this tote right here. The cable reaches. It's gonna be hooked up to the Jetta. Well, when I set it off, it's gonna be connected to the Jetta. So let's rig it up. So we got our hood open, our battery exposed, we got the cables right here prepared, separated. Now we need to go connect to this and set that little toe on top of it. So there's no good indicator which is negative and which is positive. So we're just gonna hook it up, hope for the best. Just like that, we're all hooked up. Lay it down like this. We're gonna set our basket on top of it. Oh my God, there's a praying mantis in there. Wow, guess he's gonna fly. Okay guys, here we go. I think the airbag might have gone further than the basket. Jesus Christ. It's all smoky and stuff. I wouldn't recommend getting hit in the face by one of these. They stink and they're hot. So avoid getting in an accident. But anyway guys, that's how you set it up. You hook it up and set her off. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or you kiss monkeys. Peace out. FYI, the basket. And the praying mantis did fly.
And we're the 3 best friends that anybody could have. We're the 3 best friends that anyone could have. We're the 3 best friends that anyone could have. And we'll never, never, ever, ever, ever leave each other.